will take the reins of ZANU-PF after Emmerson Mnangagwa? A question that lingers in the minds of many. Welcome to a fascinating exploration of potential successors and their political influence in the heartland of Zimbabwe's political landscape. First, we delve into the possibility of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga ascending to the presidency. A former army general, Chiwenga played a pivotal role in the military intervention that led to Robert Mugabe's resignation in 2017. His military background and influence put him in a strong position within ZANU-PF. However, his health has been a subject of speculation and concern, which could potentially affect his chances. Then, we have the ambitious and influential First Lady, Auxilia Mnangagwa. She has been rising in prominence, engaging in numerous philanthropic activities, and showing a keen interest in the welfare of the Zimbabwean people. While her husband's position gives her some leverage, the question remains, does Zimbabwe want another First Lady as president after Grace Mugabe's ambitions contributed to her husband's downfall? Next up is Kudzanai Chipanga, a former youth leader in ZANU-PF. Despite his expulsion during the 2017 coup, he has since been readmitted to the party, indicating a possible rise in his political influence. His youth could appeal to the younger demographic of Zimbabwe, but his lack of experience might be a drawback. Lastly, we have the dark horse, Sibusiso Moyo, the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Trade. A decorated military general and the face of the 2017 coup, Moyo is a respected figure within the military and political circles. His diplomatic role has given him an international perspective, which could be advantageous, but his low profile could hinder his chances. In summary, the ZANU-PF succession is a complex and multifaceted issue. From the military strongman, Constantino Chiwenga, to the First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa, the young and ambitious Kudzanai Chipanga, and the diplomatic Sibusiso Moyo, the potential successors each bring their unique strengths and weaknesses to the table. The question of succession is not just about who will lead, but about the future direction of ZANU-PF and Zimbabwe as a whole. And that, my friends, is a narrative that is still being written.